How to solve 4 power of 1 minus x plus 4 power of 1 plus x is equal to 10. Find the value of x. So you have 4 power of 1 minus x can be written as 4 power 1 over 4 power x, then plus 4 power of 1 plus x can be written as 4 power 1 times 4 power x, then is equal to 10. Now we see 4 power x, both term is same. 4 power x, 4 power x. So let 4 power x is substituted by y. So our equation will be 4 power 1 is same as 4, then over y, 4 power x, that means y, then plus 4 power 1 is same as 4 times 4 power x, that means y, then is equal to 10. Now we have 4 over y, then plus 4 times y, that means it will be 4y, then is equal to 10. Now we multiply by y in both sides. So multiply by y, multiply by y, multiply by y. Now we see this y will be cancelled. So we have 4y multiplied by y, that means it will be 4y square, then this plus 10y take to the left side, so this will be minus 10y, then here plus 4, then is equal to 0. Now here you can apply quadratic formula or middle term factorization. I can apply middle term factorization. I just middle term factorization. So I have 4y square, then minus 10y can be written as minus 8y minus 2y. This is middle term factorization because minus 8y minus 2y, that means it will be minus 10y, and also this multiplied by this, it will be same that this multiplied by this. Now then plus 4 is equal to 0. Now here I applied middle term factorization. I think everybody should be understand. Now here we take common. Here 4y is common, so 4y is out of the bracket. So this divided by this, that means it will be y, then this divided by this, that means it will be minus 2, then bracket close. Now from here we take common minus 2, so minus 2 is out of the bracket, so this divided by this, that means it will be y, then plus 4 divided by minus 2, that means it will be minus 2, then bracket close is equal to 0. Now I see y minus 2 is common. So bracket y minus 2 is out of this bracket. So this divided by this, that means y minus 2 will be cancelled. So we have 4y, then this divided by this, that means y minus 2 will be cancelled. So here minus 2, then bracket close is equal to 0. Now we can write here y minus 2 is equal to 0, or for y minus 2 is equal to 0. Now y is equal to, this minus 2 take to the right side, so this will be plus 2, or for y is equal to, this minus 2 take to the right side, so this will be plus 2. Now I can write here y is equal to 2 divided by 4. Now y is equal to 2 divided by 4, that means it will be 1 by 2. Now remember that let 4 power x is substituted by y. So y, that means 4 power x. So y, that means it will be 4 power x is equal to 2, or y, that means 4 power x is equal to 1 by 2 is same as 2 power negative 1. Now 4 power x is same as 2 power 2, then bracket power of x is equal to 2 power negative 1. Now 2 power of 2 times x, that means it will be 2x is equal to 2 power negative 1. Now we see 2 same way, so 2 will be cancelled, power will be equal to power. So 2x will be equal to negative 1. Now we need the value of x, so divided by 2 in both sides, so divided by 2 divided by 2. So this 2 will be cancelled. So we have x is equal to minus 1 over 2. So x is equal to minus 1 by 2, or here 4 power x is same as 2 power 2, then bracket power of x is equal to 2. Now 2 power of 2 times x, that means it will be 2x is equal to 2 is same as 2 power 1. Now I see 2 same way, so 2 will be cancelled, power will be equal to power. So we can write here 2x is equal to 1. Now we divided by 2 in both sides because we need the value of x. So this 2 will be cancelled. So we have x is equal to 1 by 2. So our final answer will be x is equal to minus 1 by 2, then 1 by 2. So this is our final answer.
How to solve 4 to the power 28 plus 4 to the power 28 is equal to what? At first we take common 4 to the power 28. first bracket is start, this divided by this, that means 1, plus this divided by this, that means 1. Now 4 to the power 28 is same as 2 to the power 2 bracket for 28 times 1 plus 1, that means 2. Now 2 to the power 2 times 28, that means 56 times 2 is same as 2 to the power 1. Now we see that 2 same base but different power, so we can write here 2 to the power 56 plus 1, that means 57. So 2 to the power 57 is the correct answer.